Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-page contact form by using the WPForms plugin. If you have a form that runs a little bit on the longer side, splitting it up into multiple pages can make it feel less overwhelming for users at first sight. With that said, let's get right to it. After installing and activating the WPForms plugin, head into the form builder by either choosing to edit an existing form or create a new one. Once inside the form builder, you can customize the form as you see fit by adding or removing any fields to your form. On the left sidebar, under the Fancy Fields section, find the Page Break field. You can click and drag this field to place it anywhere you want to add a page break to your form. Each page break field that you add to your form will split it into additional pages, and you can add as many breaks as you need. If you'd like to change their placement, simply click and drag the field to a new area. Clicking on the page break field itself will open the field settings. You can write in a page title and customize the text on the next page button to read something different if you want. You can also click on the Display Previous toggle to add a previous button to the form, allowing users to go back to a previous page if they wish. Clicking on this toggle will bring up a previous label option, which you can customize just like the next label. If you'd like to add a previous button to the very last page of your form, scroll down to the very end of your form and click on the last field, which should just be a long dotted line. You can then click on the Display Previous toggle to turn on the Final Previous button and customize the label. Finally, let's talk about the first page settings or progress indicator. If you scroll to the top of your form in the form builder, you should see a field called First Page/Progress Indicator. When viewing your multi-page form, users will see a progress bar at the top of each page of your form. You can actually customize this progress bar by clicking on the field in the form builder. The settings that appear allow you to customize a few things, such as what kind of progress indicator you'd like to use, either a progress bar, numbered circles, a connector bar, or you can turn off the progress indicator altogether. You can also customize the indicator's color by using the built-in color picker tool, or you can edit the color when editing this page in the Gutenberg block editor. You can click on the form block, and on the right side, you should see several settings for the WPForms block. Scroll down to the bottom to find a section called Other Styles. Here you'll see a setting called Page Break, which will allow you to change the color of the progress indicator. Back in the form builder, if you click on the Advanced tab, you'll see a few additional settings appear. The Page Navigation Alignment tab will allow you to choose where to place the form's navigation buttons, either left, right, center, or split. The Disable Scroll Animation toggle will prevent the page from automatically scrolling up to the top when users click on the next button of the form. Finally, you can add any CSS classes you'd like in the CSS Classes field. Just keep in mind that this custom code will only apply to the first page break field in the form. When you're done making your changes, click on the Save button at the top of the form builder, and you're all set. You now know how to create a multi-page contact form for your WordPress site. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra technical help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team.